Hello and welcome. We're going to go ahead and we're going to marinate some chicken wings that we pre-prepped. So we separated the drummies from the flats and put some salt into them. And we're going to be marinating them in some Mediterranean flavors. We're going to be using some garlic, including my homemade garlic salt. We're going to be using Lebanese 5-spice blend. I blend this and make this. It smells so good. It has all the flavors of what you would think of when you think of Mediterranean food. We're going to be putting these chicken wings in a little bit of yogurt. Again, thinking Mediterranean. We're going to be adding in some beautiful shallots, some lemon, and some olive oil. So let's go ahead and show you how we put this all together, and then we'll show you our finished product when it's done. All right, I've gone ahead and chopped up some garlic, rosemary, and shallots, and all we're gonna do is go ahead and add those directly into our bag of chicken. So let's go ahead and do that. Always folding the edges down is a great idea when you're adding food to a baggie. Just want to make sure I've got that centered for you so you can see what we're doing. There we are. All right, let's get the shallots in. Rosemary, garlic. Let's not forget that Lebanese 7-spice that I make, that blend. I'm just going to shake it in. This beautiful flavor. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get some olive oil in. We're going to squeeze that lemon. If you get any seeds in there, just pick them out. Oh, this lemon was seedy. Nice lemon juice. And we want to get in some of our homemade garlic salt. Just a little, because we already salted the chicken wings. We just want this for flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and get that yogurt in. And I'm going to be kind of creative about how I get it in there. There we go. I just banged it in. All right. Now we can take this bag, close it over, seal it up, and go ahead and mix all those wonderful flavors together. Why do we put the yogurt? So the yogurt kind of acts as a tenderizer for the chicken wings, and it also coats them and creates a nice base when we go to cook them. So it kind of acts as a bonding agent for all of our wonderful flavors. And there we have our chicken all marinating. We're going to go ahead and get this into the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, and we'll show you the final product when it's done.